Hello, my lovely viewers. I welcome you once again, and I believe you've been enjoying our classes. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amoako-Attah. Our next subtopic under the simultaneous equation is going to be on solving word problems simultaneously, and it is promising to be really fun. For example, the sum of the ages of Kofi and Amma is 29 years. Kofi is 3 years more than Amma. Find their ages. So in this case, this is a word problem, and we are going to solve it simultaneously. Interesting, right? Stay safe and keep glued to this channel as we prepare for the main lesson. Till we meet again, I'm encouraging you solve more questions on your own. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you and stay safe. Bye.